Welcome to Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is bone steak, in Malay called tulang masak merah. This dish is originated from Singapore and only you can find in Singapore. So first, I'm going to boil the bone in 1.5 hours. I'm cooking 2 kilos of bone. I have to put ginger. This is the bone. Okay, so I have to cook for 1.5 hours. And while waiting for the bone to cook, I'm going to prepare the ingredients. Okay, this is all the ingredients of the mutton bone steak or sup tulang merah. This is 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 star, 7 candemon, and 7 pieces of cloves. This is 1 inch of pounded ginger, 10 pieces of pounded garlic, 4 tablespoons of blended big onion, and 4 tablespoons of blended dried chilies, 5 tablespoons of curry powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and this is 5 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 egg, 3 fresh tomatoes, and 8 pieces of mixed red and green fresh chilies, 2 medium size of sweet potatoes, and this is the sliced cabbage and the coriander leaves for my garnishing later. Okay, now I'm going to cook the ingredients for the bone steak. Add in the oil, the garlic, and the ginger, now I can add in the mixed spice. Add in the onion, and add in the blended chili. And add in the grounded black pepper. And add in the salt. And also the sugar. The curry powder. already cooked. Now I'm going to add in the tomato paste. You can see, guys, the color turned into darker color. Now you see the bone. It's already cool. Now I'm going to add in the tomato, fresh tomato. And I would like to add in the soup from the bowl. I make my own tomato paste. It's a fresh, so I'm using the fresh tomatoes. Okay. The gravy. Turn into darker color. Become a red color later. So I'm going to boil. Okay. So I have to cover up. And I'm going to blend the sweet potato and I add in inside the gravy. Okay, guys. And now I'm going to add in the blended sweet potato. I use the fresh sweet potato to thicken the gravy. I don't use any type of flour. I use the fresh one. Okay, now I add in the yogurt and the chili, fresh chili. After the sweet potato will cook, the gravy will be thickened. Then I add in a little bit more sugar, about 1 teaspoon. As you can see, guys, the gravy is already thickened. A little more. This is my second time to cook the bone steak. I cannot find other place, only in Singapore. So now I'm going to add in the eggs and off the fire. Mix it. Okay, it's done. Let's prepare. Turn off the fire. Okay, guys. My bone steak soup tulang merah is already cooked. So I'm going to try. Oh, you can see the bone, guys. See? I'm going to eat with the French bread. Awesome. Look at the bone. The meat is so tender. Delicious. Only you can find in Singapore, guys. Only Singapore, originated in Singapore. So if you like my cooking, please give me an organic like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.